So guys, after we build the boat with Widget Gamer, he wants me to join him, and then he wants me to he just messaged me. He just said, "You want to play the roller coaster?" And I said, "Yeah, sure, but I need to get to sleep." It doesn't matter. Today's Friday, so we don't have too much into Monday. I have school. Heck, guys, it's working. We just has to wait. We just have to wait if it load. Okay, guys, I'm reading. Okay, guys, it's still loading. Just we have to wait a minute. Okay, here I go. Maybe it's still loading. We just have to wait until it's load. Like pretty much now. Okay, it worked, guys. Okay, so let me check what color he's in. He's in green. Okay, guys. Oh, I know his color. His color is green. Okay, guys. Just have to wait if I can join him. What happened? It didn't work. Maybe there's another thing that's not working. I'll try it one more time. It's not working, guys. I'm gonna try to restart again, cause like that not works. This is not working. So I'll put pause. Okay, guys, so I restarted again. So let's go check if it works again. I don't know. Okay. There. Maybe it's not working. Okay, guys, let me try it again if it works. He said to me, he just said he wants me to join, but he said he wants to make me play roller coaster, but he said no. I need to message. Okay. Team, yes, please. Okay, guys, let's see. Wait, he left? Wait, I don't know if he can join, but he's still on green. Dang it. Okay, guys. So it's still not working at all. Let me. Okay. Let me visit him. What? He's busy. He told me. That's not fair. He told me that he wants me play roller coaster, but he said no. He said that he wants to play with his friend. That's not fair. Let me see. That's gay. That's gay. You're gay. I'm gonna say it. You gay boy. Gay. Gay. Okay guys, so I don't know why it's not working, but he just like I don't know. I will stay free. That's rude. He just said that he was going to. Oh, guys. Hi guys, sorry. I was trying to restart it again because it's because of the internet. So I'm joining my friend, Widget Gamer. You know guys, you know Widget Gamer, my friend. Okay, this is still loading. It's still loading. Just we have to wait till it has started. Okay guys, it's almost there. I don't know why it's so laggy. No. Oh guys, it's working. It's working. It's working guys. It's working. Finally I can see him. Yeah, man. Okay. Oh, he's alone with green. Okay, I can join him. Don't worry, Jim. What? Something happened to the flag. What happened to him? Why? Maybe he's so mad at me. I don't know why. Okay, I need to put hi James. No. What's happened to him? Wait, why he left? Like, I don't get it, guys. Now he's in blue, like, something happened to me. Why is this so laggy? Yes, please, join me. Okay, guys, wait, what? Where'd you give it? Oh, wait, but, wait, what happened to me? No, I don't want to join you. No, I don't want to join that another kid. I'm so sorry, Jim. I just need to get out of here. I don't want to join this. Okay, guys, I'm in. Widget Gamer. Okay, guys, I'm in. Hi. Okay, let me put. I'm making making another video. Why is Jim just found me? Like, I've been playing with my friend. Let me put sorry. I don't know, but I need to go to sleep now. Like, I don't want to go. I'm making, wait, let me just, I'm making, wait, no. I'm making another, I'm making another video. Yes. I already start. Wait, what? Did he just found me again? Dude, serious. I'm so serious. I already start. Where are you? I already start. Let's make roller coaster. Please. Let's make. What? Why is something happened? This thing, guy, like, just. Why Jim do this? He said what he said. Are you moving and teleport? I don't know. I don't. Why he just moved me like that? Let me say. Why you did that? You did that. The ghost is killing us. I didn't. Oh, okay. Let's make a boat or roller coaster. No. Roller coaster. Okay. Yay. Oh, guys, he's making roller coaster. Okay, guys, this is gonna be. Let me say, where's your friend? Where's your friend? Oh, there, he's already in. They have to go. Oh, okay. No, maybe I got the wrong. Why is it not working? How about I make this? The system has a big. So we have to. Oh, okay. Oh, okay. I'm going to. I'm not leaving. I'm not leaving. I'm not leaving. Okay, yeah. What about Friday? You going to movie you going to the you're going to the movie. You're going to the movie. I'm not going to cause so see you on Friday. Oh, okay. And weekend, right? Yeah. Stop. Stop, you boy. Oh! No, no, my friend just... This boy's going to kill us. Dude, I have to do something with him. Where is he? Oh, there he is. Are you okay? Are you okay? Yep. Phew. Ah! Wait, what are those? Are those for TNT? Is that TNT? TNT? Oh, I know that means... No, wait, why am I stuck? I'm stuck. I'm stuck. Oh, no, I wasn't. Wait, what? Oh, that means I'm not dead. Dang. This boy was trying to kill. I need to get rid of him. We're going on a little Einstein. Little Einstein. Wait, no, wait, I'm fail. No, I got, guys. No, I'm failing. What he said? Oh. No. Where's Widget Gamer? Oh, he's still. Wait, I'm still stuck. Guys, I need to restart. I need to jump. Okay, guys, I had to leave because I'm still stuck in that rocket. Like, I don't like it. Yes, sorry guys. I was trying to leave because I'm still stuck in that thing. That rocket was so annoying and so weird. I didn't even like that. He thought we were going to do something else. Okay, guys, I'm showing him. Come on. Yes. Okay, guys. I'm already in. Let's wait. Build the boat to find the treasure. Yeah, I'm not going to sleep yet because I'm not tired. Like, I'm not tired. Okay, guys. Okay. Hurry up, hurry up, hurry up, hurry up. Okay, guys, don't worry. It's gonna still loading. Okay, guys, I'm already in. He's in black. Okay, he's in black. Let me join him. Black, 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 black. Yes, I already put it black. Wait, what happened? Wait, why he left? Why did he left? Maybe because, oh, I know he left. He thinks that I left. Hmm. Is he here? He's in? He's in? What? Hmm. Let me go check what's going on with him. Hmm. What happened? Oh, he left. Okay. Oh yeah, he left because he was going to sleep. Okay. That means I'm going to leave too because he just already left. Wait, that means, oh, I thought it was how to find the treasure. Okay, guys, so it was cool to make a video. I'll make more videos tomorrow. Please subscribe to my channel so I can get more money. I can make new videos. Please subscribe, guys. Please. And thank you for watching this video. Bye.